So this morning I got up, went to use the microwave, and the door wouldn't lock. I tried numerous times. I thought it may have been something in the programming, but no, it wasn't. So I went onto YouTube and there was a couple of guys on there that demonstrated how you can fix it. Now, the way they fixed it was they took this plastic frame off, and you have to do it very gingerly. There are little tabs inside there that click into place, and you know the suggestion was get a flathead screwdriver, but that kind of proved a little bit difficult getting it in there. Plus you needed 3 pairs of hands so you didn't break the hinges. So one of them suggested use a knife. So I took this knife and I got in there and I pried it off gently all the way up until I got some release up here and then at the bottom. So just as the guy said, the little spring inside had come away because on the frame which these hooks are mounted, there's a tiny little clip that broke, and you had to get the hook of the spring back on. Alright, so the next thing was take that off, take this out, and get a spot on that plastic frame in which these are mounted, or they are an integral part of. I didn't have a small enough drill bit, so I took a paper clip, and what I did was I put it on the stove, but of course it's an electric stove, doesn't work that great. And I thought, okay, what else can I do here? So I got the barbecue lighter, I heated it up, and then I pressed that down onto the plastic on that frame in there. Just as the guy said, hook it onto there are clips all the way down here that make up that frame, that stiffen the metal frame in there. So I hooked it on there, and then I stretched the spring, the whole frame up, so that this engaged in the slot at the top, and then I pulled it down at the bottom and got that one to engage. Done. Then it was fixed. Now it was a case of getting this frame back on again. I put it on and I tried it a number of times and it wouldn't close properly. And of course up here it wasn't a perfect fit. So what I did was I went back in with a knife and I jiggled around with this plastic frame so that was fully engaged in there. Takes a little bit of while, but if you know, a bit of patience, and you know, see that's what you have to do, is get that to click in. Close it. Voila, it's done. Now, that took me just about 4 minutes to explain. It took much more than that to complete the job, but it can be done. You don't have to spend $100, $200 to get the guy in to fix it, or buy a new microwave. So check their video out. I'll try and put a link to it, and that's just my opinion. You can do it with a little bit of perseverance and some simple tools that you'll find around the kitchen or your workshop, and your microwave works brand new. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, remember to give me the big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.